Here we taken one example. The table gives the distances in nautical miles of the visible horizon for the given heights in feet above the earth's surface. X is equals to height, this row they have given to us in that values, and y equal to distance, second row. Find the value of y when x is equals to 218 feet and 410 feet. So these two values we have to discuss by using the Newton's interpolation formula. Now in the solution part, first we will perform here the difference table. X height, so I am mentioning here directly x height. So this is our x column. Now in the y column we will mention these respective values. In the previous 2-3 examples we seen here how to complete this difference table. So 2 or 3 values I will explain in this case. Now how we will complete this expression? So 13.03 next number minus previous number. This is the procedure for performing the difference table. So the output of this it is 2.4. Similarly, if we continue this, then we have next number minus previous number. So like this will complete the difference table. Now I completed this difference table here. I explained here previous these two how it performs. Now you calculate any term here. Suppose this expression minus of 0.16 minus of and minus this become plus, so that gives me 0.08. 0.02 minus of this expression, that is 0.03, so that gives me minus of 0.01. So we understood already how this difference table is performed. Now first value we will discuss, value A. Now here value of A, x is equals to 218. Now it belongs to this interval. So here the central value is 250. Before to that value we have to discuss. So we'll use here Newton's forward interpolation. Before we'll complete here value of P is equals to x minus x0 upon h. Value of x it is 200. Value of x it is 280 minus x0 previous number of this expression 200 divided by h. The difference is 50. Output is 18 divided by 50, and which is equals to 0.36. Now Newton's forward interpolation formula is, so y is equals to y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial plus plus so on. So maximum first 4 terms we will consider for the discussion. Now this is our x0 value. So this become our y0. So these values accordingly we will consider. In the first column this is the third value, next third value. Like this the values we have to consider in the Newton's forward interpolation formula. So first value y0 15.04, p value 1.77, upon 2 into minus of 0.16 plus upon 6 into 0.03 plus so on. Or one more term we mention here. I completed one more term in this. Minus 1, minus of 2, minus of 3 upon 4 factorial, that is 24 into minus of 0.01 and this plus so on. Write down the calculation of each term. Plus 0.64, 0.02 plus 0.0001 and so on. So y at 218, the output it is 15.702 nautical miles. So only we have find here first a bit for 218 by using the forward interpolation formula. So we written here formula, and in that value of p we substituted del y0. So this stage we have considered for forward interpolation formula. Now we can consider first 4 terms. Now see here, the 5th term gives me approximately to be 0 value. So this is negligible term. So it will not add or subtract or will not consider in the expression. So it will not affect to our answer. Now we will discuss here second bit. In the second bit, value of p x minus xn upon h, x value 410. So it is in the last value in the table 410. Now in this case, value of x it is 410 minus xn is the next number, but in this table the next number is not defined or not given the data. So in that case, consider xn as 400 upon h difference. So the output it is 0.2. Now by Newton's backward interpolation formula is y is equals to yn plus p del of yn upon 2 factorial del square of yn (3 factorial del cube of yn and plus so on. So this is backward interpolation. Now in this case, this is our xn value, so this become yn. So these values will consider in the backward interpolation formula. So first value yn 21.27, value of p it is 0.2, next 1.37 plus p plus 1 upon 2 into 0 minus of 0.11 plus 0.2. One more term we'll consider here for the calculation part, divided by 6 into 0.02 and plus so on. In the forward we taken here first 5 terms, but here I consider first 4 terms. So y at 410 is equals to plus 0.274 minus 0.013 002 and plus so on. So y at 410 is equals to nautical miles. So one problem, this we have discussed by using the Newton's forward interpolation and backward interpolation. The first value we have discussed, this is value before the central value in the table. So by forward interpolation we find, and this value is after the central value of the table. So we discuss by using the backward interpolation formula. Thank you.